told these niggas I was coming back to bust their ass. Okay, remix, part 2. See, now you know who the guard be. Back when in the city, if you know who the squad be. Flip mode, bitch, look, see, ain't nothing changed. Though I'm back with the remix, with the queens of the game. When you see me in the spot, the niggas better respect it. Y'all already know I'm a rap, ain't no reason to check it. And you know that you ain't fucking with me just for the record. So we stand up, man, Mary J. Blige, I get low, Mary.
Baby, you can guess who it is. Mary J. Blige, I'm about to handle my biz. I'm on my grown woman, still a rep for the kids in every hood. And all my people doing a bit. Now you know who's really the queen, deliver the mail. 730,000 versus week on my sales. The haters watch, they watch, looking on pale. While I'm on a yacht overseas doing my nails.
Get low, Mary.
Well, let me show you how we do. I gotta thank everyone for copping the breakthrough. Busted, take one, the remix to take two. You love the way we reinventing how we just stay new. How we selling out the stadiums, arenas and all. Only Louis and Gucci, we don't shop at the mall. Got your party and dancing and having a ball. And you loving the way we reppin' how we do it for y'all.
Bust a bus back and just put a lock on the town. Now I'm a bitch be coming from miles around. See they be coming cause they know how to gouge around. Now you know who hold it strong, you give me the crown. Niggas a little bit trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with the niggas, you niggas just clowns. Making the bitches whipping, throw this shit on the ground. That's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with holes. Come on, see we can make it hot, the chicks that come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy, you already know I suppose. Shorty wildin' and shorty gon' wish you piecing it out. On the record, but just a second, I'm freaking it out. I'm bustin' trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turn around and I'm trying to put my dick in the mouth.
Finals 2016 Live CD Throwdown Singapore.
day and your number, and I'll get back to you.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, everybody give it up. That was the final battle for the All-Style Division in Lion City Throwdown 2016. The judges, Diaco, Hiroking, and Felix are coming to a decision. And they'll announce it down to the floor in just a second. These dancers have gone through 2 hours of freedom, and for Shaadow, not only 2 hours of prelim, but also a lot of judging. Battled their way through top 8, top 4, the final 2.
Alright, the judges have decided we're gonna go one more round. Alright, everybody, they need your energy. Come on, one more round. Come on, give it up. Come on.
We want to see your soul.
Whatever the rain feels like, little something get me through this day. Really look at don't talk man, oh, the good day. So you wouldn't need let go with it on my feet.
She is an old woman.
Don't talk man.
Flair from Lion City. Shaadow from the United Kingdom.
Gotta get out of here. I'm in the dark and the light looks sincere. Yeah, bust up the man. Don't talk man. Do some rain, around the rain. And the cloud of fire, she won't cease to rain. Girl, don't bang. And a good thing. Yeah. Got to be. So control of me. Oh, yeah. Just won't do.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're counting it down, everybody. Everybody together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. City Girl wins the Lion City Throwdown 2016 All-Style category against Shaadow, the guest judge from the United Kingdom. Give it up. She got soul, she got swing, she got passion. Lady Bird, all the way from the Lion City.